Hello, my name is Bryon Howard from Remax House of Real Estate, and I'm here to give a little talk on, well, home safety. When my buyers buy a property, I want to make sure that they're safe. And they buy a home that's really, in good condition, and their family is going to have a lot of happy memories there. So one of the first things we do in buying a home is we do a home inspection. So with a home inspection, the inspector will inspect the home, know exactly what you're getting, make sure the home is structurally sound, and any issues you might have to look after the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, and 20 years. So once the home inspection is done, we've removed conditions in the property, you're moving into your new home. How exciting is that? Well, right in there, once we get there, you want to probably change the locks. Okay, that's something that we need to do to make sure that there's no other keys floating around. So we have a great locksmith that we can refer to you and to get those locks changed fairly promptly. In the day one of moving, it's one of the things you want to do. You change your mail, you order the locksmith in to change the locks. Similarly, lots of homes will come with those keypad codes. Well, you want to get those codes changed right away, and similarly, every 6 months thereafter, just change those codes. And then finally, your first day or two in the house, you want to make sure your gates are working and locking properly, and your doors and windows throughout the house, and make sure they're secured. Finally, you're in the home comfortable. How's the lighting around the home in the evening? It's a great idea to install some perimeter lighting and possibly leave them on throughout the night. And you're comfortable in your home. The door is there. How's the door? Is there a peephole? Is there a chain? So when you're opening your door, maybe you want to open it with the chain as opposed to opening the door and having that person on your doorstep that you have no idea who they are. So recently in Alberta, we've had all kinds of issues. We all know about the flooding of June 2013. Visit this website, www.getprepared.gc.ca. Just a few tips on how to be safe in your home and be ready for any kind of an emergency. Finally, what kind of insurance do you have in your home? Are you comfortable with that insurance? Is it going to cover maybe natural disaster, fire, flooding, backups of sewer? You know what's going to happen in terms of your insurance. And finally, a great idea that my wife and I have done recently is we planted some silver blackthorn and buffalo berry bushes around the home. Why? Well, actually they're tasty in all kinds of recipes that my wife makes up, but also in terms of that flood erosion, just protecting our soil around our home on heavy rains. So there you have it, folks. When you buy that home, make sure you're safe, make it comfortable, so you and your family can have memories forever. Again, it's Bryon Howard from Remax House of Real Estate. I'd love to help you in buying your first home or selling your next and helping you buy your next dream home. You can reach me anytime. It's Bryon Howard at thehowardteam.net. Call me on my cell, 403-589-0004. I look forward to connecting in person.